Here comes the next train, guys, and I should be going home after this train right here. Gotta go home, get some rest, come out later on and get some trains. Did my flash just cut out? Why? I don't really understand why it cut out. It did go out, guys. My flash was on and it went out. I don't know why. Maybe it's because my phone was on a very low percent. Maybe it's trying to save the battery. I don't know. It cut out though. It's gonna cross over because M409 is waiting up ahead for this train to go by. World's longest Amtrak, guys. Remember that. Lucky if you live on the A line because these are the only times you get to see the long Amtrak. Only on this line. I'm lucky. Symbol on that train is Amtrak P053 Auto heading southbound. That train starts off in Lawrence, Virginia, heads south to Sanford, Florida, where it terminates.